The prehistoric skies belong to pterosaurs, magnificent flying reptiles that ruled the air for over 160 million years. These creatures weren't dinosaurs or birds, but a unique evolutionary experiment. While they shared the world with dinosaurs, pterosaurs represented a separate branch of reptiles evolutionarily closer to crocodiles than to birds. Pterosaurs achieved flight through extraordinary adaptations. Unlike birds that evolved from feathered dinosaurs, they developed wings of skin stretched from an elongated fourth finger, a design unmatched in nature. Their hollow, air-filled bones and powerful muscles allowed even giants like Quetzalcoatlus with 12-meter wingspans to soar. They occupied ecological roles we now associate with birds and bats, from fish hunters to aerial predators. Their similarities to birds, streamlined beaks in fish eaters, broad wings for soaring, represent remarkable cases of convergent evolution. However, these parallels emerged independently. Pterosaurs share no direct ancestry with birds. After their extinction 66 million years ago, true flying reptiles disappeared forever. Today, only a handful of gliding reptiles remain, like Draco lizards with their wing-like rib membranes, and flying snakes that flatten their bodies, but none achieve powered flight. These modern creatures merely hint at what pterosaurs accomplished. Pterosaur fossils continue to rewrite our understanding of flight's evolution. They weren't primitive birds or flying dinosaurs, but nature's first and only reptilian masters of powered flight, a spectacular evolutionary path that flourished then vanished, leaving only bones to tell their extraordinary story. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.